show the real video of you and the house that not like this 100% edited to show shameful to all them, like later chatting scammer under Prince Hamdan Paza. So guys, another fake. So this is Hamdan Hapsa. They are blaming people after that. Later on they are chatting like me before, chatting Prince Hamdan Paza. He said he's the real prince, but the truth, the end, scammer, asking always money. All of them here in social media are talking about money. They are all scammer. That is the truth. Okay. So this one I am showing you that this I am downloading to share all the people that this is edited from TikTok. So okay. So this is edited, not real. Make it real video. Don't make video like this one. This is edited in the apps. It's so very shameful to you, Hapsa. I know you are so very shameful, but it's your life. One day you are same like me, but it's okay, no problem. The truth is, I know the truth. So good luck to you. Another fake profile, another victim of fake Prince Hamdan Paza, imposter. I want to tell the truth that behind of this all profile is Nigeria and Pakistan, not real Prince Hamdan Paza. Can you make posted original content without edited? Because you are blaming too much people. I mean, you say that I am the girlfriend of Prince Hamdan Paza, but the truth is behind are Nigeria and Pakistan. So you cannot blame people. If this Prince Hamdan Paza, can you please posted the original video and photos of you and this woman? Okay, I can help you to introduce to all people here in social media, because the original is the key. Then this scammer of you is stopped under Prince Hamdan Paza's name. Okay, so from more, uwi na ako. Ito yung ano, ito yung yan, maraming Pinoy dito. So uwi na ako, guys.
Punta kami sa Ansko eh. Oo.
Maraming Pinoy dito. Yan.
Sariwa yun, bundog na.
Pinoy store.
Ano ba kayo?
Ayan, oh. Maraming Pinoy dito. Pero punta pa ko doon sa mag-live ako. Siguro marami lang yung nalis sa San Malo, Macau, doon sa tourist spot. Tagal na akong hindi nakalag doon. So, I'm going to live again. And,
Bago yan, te.
ano bago? Ano? San Malo. Mayroong bagong bakery na open, ayan. Pero, ayaw ko tumaba. Nagulat si Madam Bus. Yung kahit ko. Bali, Nagkasalubong kami sa ground floor. Tapos ay naka-lipstick. Nagulat siya. Akala niyo kayo lang ang maganda. Char. Joke. Ayan ako. Ayan yung yung mga nanggagaling dito sa lugar na to, siguro alam nyo. Okay. So time now is
Paano yung sinabi mo, Pe?
7:30 na yata.
Yung...
Tapos dadaan ako doon sa
Yung sa...
Bisa na akong isda, pero hindi na magabon. So, I don't want to buy. So, maybe I come back tomorrow. Or next day. Ayan. Ayan, nakikita ko na yung yung Christmas tree, giant Christmas tree in Samaro. You want to see right now? I will show you the giant Christmas tree over there. Ayan, medyo hindi pa masyadong makita kasi medyo malayo pa tayo ng konti. Ayan. So, let's go. Nakulot dito. Sila ng bitbit sa yung unan. Meron akong bitbit. Ayan. Nakikita nyo ngayon yung San Malo Macau. Ulit. I will try. I want to put it the white right here. So,
我这边走啊，
wait.
你去哪里？
Ayan yung giant Christmas tree.
往这里走。
Malamig na dito, guys. Sorry. So, ayan yung giant Christmas tree. Ayan. Maria winter down. So, ayan yung giant Christmas tree. Here in San Malo, Macau. Welcome, please welcome San Malo, Macau. At saka, ayan yung makasalanang puno. Ayan. Yung iba hindi nakakalam dyan, umuupo. Pero, ayan, yan yung puno. Pero marami hindi nakakaalam tungkol dyan sa puno na yan. So, okay? So, ayan. I will show you the giant Christmas tree here in San Malo, Macau. So, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yay! Ayan. Iba ang kulay din. The color is different.
Ganda ka dito sana jalan pa bisa niya.
Okay, bye-bye. We're going live now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Rose120.